Imagine flying through space, passing by stars, galaxies, entire clusters of them. You keep going faster and faster, zooming out from everything we've ever known. And just when you think you've reached the edge of it all, there's more, a lot more. Astronomers just discovered that the biggest structure in the entire known universe, the Hercules Borealis Great Wall, is actually way bigger than we thought. Not just a little bigger, we're talking 5 billion light-years bigger. Back in 2013, a group of astronomers were studying these strange cosmic flashes called gamma-ray bursts. Think of them like little fireworks from dying stars, only much, much more powerful. These bursts come from the farthest corners of the universe, and scientists use them to track where galaxies are. And then they notice something weird. A lot of these bursts, more than expected, were all coming from the same general region in space, spread out, but kind of clustered together. At first, they thought it was just a coincidence. But the more data they looked at, the clearer it became. These gamma-ray bursts were tracing out the shape of something enormous, something stretched out across billions of light years. They had just stumbled onto what would later be named the Hercules Borealis Great Wall, a massive structure made up of galaxies, galaxy clusters, gas, dark matter, and more. At the time, scientists estimated it was 10 billion light-years wide, already the biggest thing we'd ever found. But that was just the beginning. By the way, if you're into space discoveries like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We've got more deep dives, mysteries, and cosmic wonders coming your way, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Let's go back to the discovery now. In the years since, scientists kept collecting more data, more gamma-ray bursts, more precise measurements, better instruments, and in 2023, new analysis came in, and it changed everything. Turns out this structure isn't 10 billion light-years wide. It might be closer to 15 billion. To put that into perspective, the entire observable universe is around 93 billion light-years across. This one structure takes up 1/6 of all that space, one single wall of galaxies, stretching across a chunk of the cosmos that big. It's honestly hard to wrap your head around. So what exactly is this thing? It's not a wall like the ones we know. You can't touch it, you can't see the edges. It's a loose network of galaxies and dark matter, all moving through space, connected by gravity. In some ways, it's like a giant city of galaxies, spread out over an unfathomable distance. But here's where it gets even stranger. According to what we thought we knew about the universe, structures this big shouldn't exist. The laws of physics say that past a certain scale, things should start to look more or less the same, smooth even, without big clumps or walls. The Hercules Borealis Great Wall, yes, it breaks that rule. It challenges the idea that the universe is evenly spread out on large scales. And scientists don't really know why. There are a few theories. Some think it formed because of early density ripples in the universe, leftover patterns from just after the Big Bang. Others think it could be connected to dark matter, the invisible stuff that holds galaxies together. But honestly, we're still figuring it out. This discovery has opened up a huge question. If something this big can exist, what else is out there that we haven't seen yet? The universe keeps surprising us. Every time we think we've reached the edge of understanding, something new shows up. Something strange, something massive, something that reminds us we're still just getting started. And now, what do you think this gigantic structure could be? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your theory. Until next time, stay curious. And remember, the universe is always bigger than it seems.